Here I come again. I'm gonna do an art at home with Miss Beth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So last time we did these beautiful dresses. Today we're gonna do a shirt. I just did this one. I'm not real happy with it, but you know what? I'm gonna try to do it better. Oh, and I don't know that I gave credit. This is from my friend Keaton. Keaton made this beautiful heart panda for me with a 3D gun. She did great. Love it. Okay, so I have a square piece of paper. I've seen this done two different ways, and I think I like it better square. The other one was using something a little smaller, but I don't know. In my brain, origami is always square papers. So I have pattern. You make your own pattern if you want. We're going to flip it over so we have our white side. We are going to make a book fold. This one is really similar to the dress. I'm just going to say that. Bone folder makes it smooth. Otherwise, fingernails. Okay, and then we open it up, and then we fold our side into our middle, like so. Side into middle. Let's hope I remember how to do this one. Okay. They flipped it over. They kept theirs folded. They flipped it over. And then they folded this side into the middle. Maybe. Oh, this is kind of thick paper. Maybe I should rethink this. Now, a lot of times if your paper's too thick, things will end up tearing in the end, and we don't really want to do that. Actually, let's do this. I think it's good to see that you guys see me make mistakes as well. I don't like that the sun is right there on me. I think maybe they did it this way. So where it's open, they ended up folding that one in and that one in. Then they went down, and then they're going to fold this up to about the middle. Might be a little high. We'll go to about there. And then they fold this in, so this side comes in. Now we may have some troubles here because that's pretty thick paper. Okay. Then we're going to take our end here and we're going to pull it out. So you can see it ends. This is where we folded it up. It ends about there. So this is actually going to be the sleeve of our shirt. I'll show you here in just a minute. Take this side, pull it out. Yeah, and I think if you had some regular copy paper, it would be so much easier. Ta-da! Okay. I'm trying to get it as symmetrical as I can. So we have our sleeves. This, let's see, do I go this way? I gotta remember now. So we're gonna take the bottom. We're gonna just fold in a little bit of that end. I think I want a little more. Let's just do a tiny bit more. Maybe it'll make a little better. This is gonna be the collar. So, oh wait, I bet I did that wrong, didn't I? Okay, good you're watching me. Let's go the other direction. So from here, we're gonna fold it up. Okay? And then we're gonna take our top of our shirt and we're gonna fold it up here. So we see where that's gonna go. Let me do that again. Okay, so we did our sleeves, and then we came down here, and we made this come up. We flipped it over, and then we tucked that up in there. That way you can see it's going to be the shirt and this is going to be the collar. Let's make this into the collar. We're going to go back down. Okay, so for our collar, we're going to pull this. Let me see here. Actually, I think it's... Leave that down. Hang on. Yeah, I can see that it's starting to tear a little. We don't want that to happen. I'm going to take this corner and just kind of, I don't want it directly on the line. I want it a little off. See, that's not right. I'm seeing that it's not doing what I want. It does need to go back. Okay, so this is back this way. This is this way. And then for it to be a collar, I'm going to put my finger here and I'm going to just push. And then this kind of it'll come down. Like so. And I'm going to do that to this side too. Remember, we don't want it to fold here because this is where your neck goes. I mean, you're really not going to wear this, but I'm just saying. So you see how it kind of lines up. We want to make it as symmetrical as possible. And yeah, guys, use some thin paper because this is a little more difficult. And then we take our bottom and we fold it up and it should tuck underneath our collar. Slowly but surely. It's kind of a pretty top, actually. Yes, it's a guy's top. I'm not my top. Huh, I like that. I might push up a little more too. That looks like a nice summer top. You know, and you could go back in and you could add some buttons. I've seen that some of them have drawn in like a little pocket on the side, but now we have dresses. I don't like that one. Now we have dresses and a shirt. Oh, that is so cool. Sorry. I want to look for more clothing. I love this idea. Okay, and you saw I struggled with it. That's only the second time I've made that. So I didn't have it memorized as well as I should have, but I bet I could do it now if I wanted to. And that's the thing. It's practice. And the more you do, the better you get. Because I've made lots of dresses. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go see if you can make a shirt. Maybe I know that there's one with a tie too. You could add a tie to that and it was like a different color, so a different piece of paper. But yes, origami rules. Have a great day and I will see you at Art at Home next time. Bye everyone.